like move on,
That's
forget about it.
hilarious.
Like you don't want to catch these things. Like they're just garbage. Next is DAL through 25.
Delta. Oh my god.
Same same thing. Dead.
uh, well, I mean, we did see like the massive bounce back in something like Boeing, where members were making like 80% to alongside. So I mean, people are going to gravitate towards those trades once again because they worked in that Boeing. But unless we hear of like a massive bailout or something about these airlines, like more than that's already happening. I'm just avoiding them at all costs. Buffett. So everyone's like, oh, Buffett's probably buying these airlines. Buffett sold out of Delta at like between 30 and like 25. Like he doesn't know what's going on with the airlines. No one fucking knows what's gonna come of this type thing.
And that's the one sector that we've even almost forgotten about. That just from a broad sector standpoint, like sectors that tend to go bankrupt the most tend to be airlines, biotech companies that their drugs fail. But we've forgotten about the fact that airlines are very cost intensive places, and when things get bad, they get banged up the worst. Where it's I picked up a little UAL a while ago, and now I'm like, I'm not adding back to this thing. It's just like you said, it's easier just to find like other stuff than battle it out with the worst sector.
Well, that was funny because remember I asked you Friday. I was like, bro, do I just fucking buy oil and just forget about it? And you're like, even for you, like I'm not gonna recommend this. And bam, look what happens. It's the worst fucking day in oil history. So good looks, friends. I appreciate that.
Yeah, I've learned definitely to trim my advice. I'm like, you pick whatever you want, but let's I'm trying to keep it very broad. Like just pick a sector. Don't pick a name.
So you want to hear a funny airlines joke?
Let's hear it.
How do you become a millionaire in the airline industry?
Oh, everyone knows that. You start with
a billionaire. All right, next one.
Yeah. Okay, so going back to David, last one is this KOD through 54. Biotech.
Nice. What the fuck is this name? What's the volume like? And so this one's teetering on those levels. 300, 500. Decent. Through what, 55?
54.
Oh, through 54. Yeah. 54 is definitely the level. It closed right around that level, so it's tricky. Definitely one you want to watch. I don't mind this one at all. I like this. I like these biotech.